Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Powerful Yogi. Today in this video I am going to show you how and where to analyze a phishing URL. Kindly watch the video till the end. We receive phishing URLs from different sources, either it may be through mail or different kinds of messaging platform. But how we can be 100% sure that it is genuine before clicking it? For this you don't have to be someone who is from a cybersecurity background. The process is very simple. Whenever you receive any email from an unknown sender which consists of an URL, or any message from an unknown sender which consists of an URL asking you to click, kindly do this before clicking. First of all, copy the link that was sent by the unknown sender. Kindly do not click, just copy. And now open your browser and search in Google. VirusTotal, open it and go to the URL section present in it. Now here you paste the URL which you want to check and hit the search button. Wait for a moment. It may take some time depending on your internet speed as well. Here you go. You can see it is showing as phishing. The good thing about VirusTotal is that it is lots of antivirus engines associated with it which helps to give us the result. You can also go to the details section in order to look for some more information, like the final URL, serving IP, body hash, etc. So VirusTotal is a very good source which can help you a lot. Now the second source which I want to show you is URL Scan Search. In Google URL Scan, here's the page. Here also you can paste the URL which you want to check and just hit the search button. It will give you good results and some more information than VirusTotal. I hope this video is getting interesting and helpful to you. Now I am going to show you the third source. It is hybrid analysis. Just search in Google as hybrid analysis. Here is the page. As similar like VirusTotal and URL Scan, you can paste the URL here also which you want to check. It will give you perfect results. So these are the top 3 sources for analyzing a phishing URL. I hope the video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel Powerful Yogi, give a thumbs up to my video, and share your comment in the comment section with topics which you want me to cover in my upcoming videos. Till then, please take care of your health and stay safe. Bye.